Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can print something in PHP. This is really simple. Let me show you. Here you can see currently I'm inside VS Code and I have already added a folder that is PHP test. And I'm going to show you where the folder is. I have installed Gem for the server because PHP is a server-side scripting language. And here is the htdocs folder. So if you're from Windows, no matter, you have installed it where, in C drive or D drive, there will be a folder called Gem. You just have to go inside the folder and then in the htdocs, we are going to actually create a folder. And we are going to add the folder here in the VS Code. Here you can see PHP test. And now I'll go back and I will run this Gem control panel. So in macOS, we just have to run this manager -osx. And if you're from Windows, you have to go for the search option and then type Gem control panel. And then you have to actually start the server. And the server is, here you can see this server, Apache web server. Okay. Then you can run PHP. Now we are going to create a new file, let's say, and I'm going to say here index.php. So here I'm going to say PHP sign. Okay. And to print it, let's say anything you want to print, you have to say echo, then double quotation or single quotation, and inside it, let's say hello from PHP. Hello from PHP. If I save it and if I want to run it, then I have to actually go to the browser. And here I'm going to say localhost /. If I say localhost /, then here I will get all the project. And if I click here, and you can see hello from PHP. So if you want to print anything, you have to say echo. Okay. That's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.